The video demonstrates the assembly of a functional miniature water pump powered by a small electric motor. The construction uses common PVC pipe fittings and basic electrical components to create a system that can draw water and pump it out through a spout. Key components used. Structure: various sizes of PVC plastic pipes and connectors, T-joints, elbows. Power: a small DC motor and a battery pack. Internal mechanism: a customized impeller or piston-style assembly made from plastic parts to move the water. Base: a wooden or plastic platform to stabilize the pump structure. Build process. Highlights: preparing the pipes, cutting and drilling the plastic pipes to create the main housing and the water inlet/outlet points. Motor integration: mounting the DC motor securely to drive the internal pumping mechanism. Sealing: ensuring all joints are watertight using adhesive or specialized sealants to maintain pressure. Testing. The video concludes with a demonstration of the pump in action, successfully moving water from a source to a higher elevation.